Are you accidentally making bonsai harder than it needs to be? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and let's fix that. Starting a bonsai journey is like stepping into a swamp exhibit. Sometimes muddy, occasionally weird, but always full of surprises. Your first few trees aren't just plants, they're your partner in this adventure. Pick the wrong ones and you might feel like giving up. Pick the right ones and suddenly, every new leaf becomes a little victory. This channel's your bonsai buddy. Hit subscribe and come hang out with the best plant-loving crew on YouTube. Virtual high fives all around. And if you're wondering which trees to start with, here are 5 beginner-friendly champs. Jade, tough as nails and forgiving of watering mistakes. Ficus, bounces back quickly from pruning. Chinese elm, grows fast and loves your local climate. Juniper, classic, hardy, and easy to style. Japanese maple, forgiving, and offers stunning seasonal color. For an in-depth guide, our new bonsai book is available now. Packed with clear, beginner-friendly steps, it helps you choose the right species, avoid common mistakes, and follow seasonal care plans that keep your bonsai thriving. You'll find troubleshooting tips for pests and diseases, plus mindset advice to turn bonsai into a calming, rewarding hobby. With exclusive tips from years of experience, this book is the perfect companion for anyone ready to start or improve their bonsai journey. Links up top. So, what makes a good beginner bonsai? Forget rare or Instagram-famous trees. The real magic is in a tree that bounces back from your slip-ups, loves your local climate, and welcomes your pruning scissors without a fuss. Think of it as the friend who laughs off your bad jokes instead of walking away. Now, spotting a healthy bonsai in a nursery can feel like treasure hunting. Look for vibrant leaves, sturdy branches, and roots that don't look like they've been doing gymnastics in a pot that's too small. Avoid trees that seem sad, limp, or already stressed, no matter how pretty they look on YouTube. Here are 5 common bonsai slip-ups beginners make. Overwatering, wiring too tightly, pruning wild, ignoring pests, and, yep, choosing a tree that's too tricky to handle. Which one are you guilty of making? Go on, confess in the comments. And here's a question that stirs the bonsai pot. Is watering bonsai daily a beginner's myth or a necessary habit? Quick tip. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Each cut, each bend, is a lesson in disguise. Bonsai is less about perfection and more about patience, the kind only a master shaman-level gardener can truly appreciate. Remember, bonsai isn't about having a perfect tree. It's about growing your patience, your creativity, and your love for these tiny green friends. Every little victory counts. If you're still here, consider yourself officially Bonsai Barn Crew. We're tossing you some bonsai magic dust. Don't sneeze it away. Catch you next time.